Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of attach. Fasten, join. For example, he made certain that the trailer was securely attached to the van. The second definition of attach. Attribute value or importance to. For example, he doesn't attach too much importance to radical ideas. American pronunciation. Attach. I attach. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Attach. Say. Attach. Attach means join something to. Attach. I attach. Attach origin. Middle English has the meaning aseize with legal authority. It is derived from Middle Latin attachere, Medieval Latin seize and fasten, and Old French attachier, stitchier, fasten, fix, of uncertain origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He could easily have attached an explosive device and blown up both subs. Now, repeat after me. He could easily have attached an explosive device and blown up both subs. The second practice. The Stromness lifeboat stood by while a tow rope was attached by the Banff-registered fishing boat Enterprise. Now, repeat after me. The Stromness lifeboat stood by while a tow rope was attached by the Banff-registered fishing boat Enterprise.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.